Hello, kids! Today we are going to learn about the birds around us and some of its sounds. This is a peacock. Peacocks have beautiful, colorful feathers. Can you hear the peacock's call? This is a crow. Crows are black and very smart. Listen to the crow's caw. This is a pigeon. Pigeons are often found in cities and coo softly. Listen to the pigeon cooing. This is a sparrow. Sparrows are small and brown, and they chirp cheerfully. Listen to their chirping. This is a hummingbird. Hummingbirds are tiny and can hover in the air. Let's listen to their buzzing wings. This is an owl. Owls are nocturnal and hoot at night. Can you hear the owl's hoot? This is a duck. Ducks have webbed feet and quack loudly. Let's hear the ducks quack. This is a woodpecker. Woodpeckers peck at trees to find insects. Listen to the tapping sound. This is an eagle. Eagles have sharp eyes and strong wings. Can you hear the eagle's call? This is a parrot. Parrots are very colorful and can mimic sounds. Let's listen to the parrot chirping sound. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun learning videos. Bye-bye!